continue part 5. Example 22, we're going to find cumulative distribution function. So we are going to make a table, alright, and then write down the limit for the domain. So that will be the intervals. We have 4 intervals there, more than 2. So integrate from negative infinity until x. There's no function, so we're going to write 0. Right, and then bring it forward, substitute negative 2, still get 0. Now integrate from negative 2 before 0 until x, substitute the function, then that is 0, and plus with, we integrate x plus 2 square, we'll get that one. Substitute the limit negative 2 until x. So since we're going to find function, we cannot substitute 0 yet. So the function will be capital F. So that will be for cumulative. And then we bring that to the next column, substitute 0 into that function, then we're going to integrate 0 until x, that will be before 2. Then substitute the function, write the functions here. When we substitute 0, you will get, then we integrate. We're going to simplify, so that will be 1 over 2 plus with x minus 2 power of 3. Substitute the limit, then we are going to simplify. Be careful with the negative. Negative minus 8, get positive 8. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, we'll get 1. So that will be, bring to the next, the last column. Now substitute f2. So we integrate 2 until x, there will be 0 function. Now finally we will get equals to 1 for cumulative. The total equals to 1. So we're going to write all the functions back for cumulative distribution function. So first, write down 0 for first interval less than negative 2, and then the second function between negative 2 until 0, then the next one is plus 1 from 0 until 2, and then lastly we will get equals to 1 for more than 2. For fx, so first we are going to substitute the limit into the function. Substitute negative 2 to get 0. Substitute 0, we are going to get 3 over 4. And then lastly we substitute 2. Still the same, we will get equals to 0 because it is continuous. So we are going to sketch the x and y axis. Okay, then write the interval, the domain for negative 2. So you get negative 2, 0, and 3 over 4. That is quadratic function. So it's a little bit curved. Less than negative 2 will be approaching 0. Now to sketch the Cdf graph, we substitute the limit into the function. Okay, it is still the same value because it is continuous. The last one should be equals to 1 for CDF. And then y-axis is for capital F. Now negative 2, we get 0. Then we connect that one. And we sketch the cubic function and we connect these points. Yes, so it's a curve. There we go. There. Now the probability more than 1. So that will be 1, the total probability minus less than 1. Probability less than 1 is from the cumulative. Cumulative function 0 until 2. There we get that. Substitute 1 into x minus 2 power of 3 over 16 plus 1. Yes, we substitute 1 into x. We calculate, we get 1 over 16. Next, how to find the median? Yes, median. the total probability is actually like half of the graph. So to test where is half, we substitute, let's say 0. Since -2 we get 0, so we substitute 0 into the function, we will get 1/2. We take the function from -2 to 0, so we substitute m into x, get m plus 2 power 3, so that will be equals to half or 0.5. Then we calculate the values of m, so we get m equals to 0.
This is the exercise that you can try, and this is the answer.